Good morning mga classmates, nandito na naman si Trabahong Marino TV. So ngayon, ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang trabaho ng isang duty officer sa loob ng bridge tungkol sa radio communications. Lahat ng tawag in and out ay dadaan sa bridge. Ngayon po, ano nga ba ang bridge? Ang bridge ay ang main command ng isang barko. Ito isang part ng barko na nasa ibabaw, pinakataas, na nandun na lahat ng equipment, radio communications, at maintindihan natin kung gaano ba kalaki ang responsibilidad ng isang duty officer pag siya ay nagtatrabaho na sa bridge. Tunghayan nyo ang video ito.
Coxhaven Elway Traffic, M Street, calling.
M Street, this is Cuxhaven and Traffic. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Now leaving your BTS area, over.
Please switch to channel 80 for German by traffic. Good watch.
Good watch to you. Change to 80. German by traffic, M Stream calling, over.
M Stream, German by traffic. Good afternoon. You're entering our area from the east. What is your destination at M Stream?
My next port will be Sutton Bridge.
Thank you for your call. Keep standby 8016 and have a pleasant voyage.
Thank you very much, sir. Standby 1680. Sutton Bridge pilot, this is M Stream replying, over.
Mas familiar po tayo sa pilot ng eroplano na kung saan ang alam natin ay siya po yung nagdadrive ng eroplano. Dito naman sa barko, meron din kaming pilot o piloto na kung saan lahat ng barko na dumidikit sa port sa ibang bansa man or sa Manila Port or Cebu Port or sa Cagayan de Oro City Port ay kumukuha po ng serbisyo na isang piloto dahil ang piloto ay siyang mas maraming alam sa characteristics ng tubig, kuryente ng tubig at mga palatandaan upang ang barko ay dumikit sa port ng full of safety.
Stream, Sutton Bridge pilot, you're very broken, but if you can hear me, be with you in about 40 minutes time, 40 minutes, if you can be underway and close northeast to the Neem Road point, please, in 40 minutes time.
Yes, sir. Copy on that. 40 minutes from now to the main roads northeast. Anyhow, we have 40 minutes to prepare the anchor to leave up. Over.
Yeah, very broken there in stream, but I think you heard 40 minutes. I'll call it again in about 10-15 minutes.
Sutton Bridge pilot, you said that I'm broken, so we have 40 minutes to prepare everything. Over.
Yes, please be underway and close northeast to the Neem Road point in 40 minutes. Please be underway in 40 minutes time.
Yeah, we will try, sir. We will start giving up now and we will proceed 40 minutes from now to the Nini Boys. Thank you.
Pag-usapan namin ng pilot ay magmi-meet up kami sa isang location kung saan sasampa ang pilot para siya na yung mag-guide sa barko papunta sa port.
Yun, alis na rin
Pilot
tayo.
mode, harbour office.
Tawag tayo sa makina, tawag tayo kay kapitan dahil aalis na tayo. 40 minutes from now, kailangan maka-give up anchor na tayo at makapunta na tayo dun sa pilot station dahil sasampa
Okay, no worries. Just no problems. How are we coming through from your end? Yeah, no, you're loud and clear, and we was reading the eames as well, so maybe just because you're down there in the back. Okay, thank you.
Yes, Captain, the pilot will depart now. 40 minutes from now, we will be on the pilot station and they inform that we have 40 minutes to prepare and said, keep trying. Okay, I will call engine. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Tapos na tayo kay kapitan, tawag tayo kay engineer. Okay na, let's get it on.
Hello. Yeah, we are on standby. We will proceed now. So, nag-start engine na tayo. Tumunog na yung mga alarm. Antayin na natin si Kapitan. Pag dumating siya, diretso na tayo, bababa na tayo at gano'n. Thank you.
Yan po ay binibira na natin ang ating angkla. Ang tawag sa equipment na yan ay winch. Lahat ng chain ay mapupunta sa tinatawag naming chain locker. Kaya may tubig na lumalabas ay para mahugasan yung chain natin at yung anchor natin dahil ang ilalim ng dagat ay putik. Salamat sa panonood and don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell para updated kayo sa mga next videos natin.